What is up, YouTube, and welcome to Rider Infusion. Today's episode of Bike Talk is going to be all about riding a motorcycle safely after dark. We're going to pretend like it's dark, okay? We're going to pretend like it's dark, and we're going to talk about everything that goes into motorcycle and all that's important. And guys, if you're new here to the channel, if this is the first time you're stopping by my channel, if you like this type of content, this video or safety-related content for motorcycles, consider subscribing to the channel. I'd also appreciate a thumbs up on the video if you do enjoy it. First thing that I want to talk about is going to be visibility. So when it's dark out, when you can hardly see, visibility is key. Not only for what you can see, but for how others can see you on the road. One of the first and most important things I think that you can do, it is to wear reflective gear or clothing. You know, it could be a backpack with reflective strips. It could be a helmet with a reflective back. Actually, the helmet that I'm wearing on right now, it's got a little reflective emblem on the back, which is better than nothing. And, you know, make sure all your lights work well on your bike. You know, anything that you could put on your body that would be reflective is good. It might also be a good idea to add some extra lighting to your bike. Maybe some fog lights, you know, another light up front, just something that could just illuminate you better on the roadway so others can actually see you. If you're in a place and it is... Slow down. Car coming up from behind me, and I'm just watching it and make sure it's coming to a stop. So if you're riding in a place that's dark, you know, darker than normal, no street lights, that sort of thing, really just be on guard, on edge, on watch for animals running out onto the road. Could be a dog, could be a cat, whatever else. I've had it happen to me before where I'd be out riding and there was a dog, a little chihuahua or something, that just ran out of somebody's yard right in front of me. And I luckily kind of saw it at the last second running out of that driveway. I was able to swerve, got out of the way, and everything was fine. And I'd really just recommend slowing your whole pace down. You know, just slow down. Get to, what is this guy doing? Why is he driving? Why is he driving like that? Anyways, as I was saying, slow down, ride a little slower than you would normally ride, just so you would have more time to react to whatever it is that's going to be on the road. Now, you also want, and this is a big mistake that a lot of riders do, and actually I've done it myself many times, where I have one visor, and it's a tinted visor on my helmet. So when it gets dark out, I am forced, you know, to look through a tinted visor, you know, unless I were to flip it up, put on some glasses or goggles or, you know, something else like that. Then, you know, that's a different situation. But I've had it happen where I've had a ride during the nighttime and my visor is dark and it makes everything darker, makes everything harder to see. And so that's not a good idea. If you know you're going to be doing a lot of nighttime riding, make sure you get maybe one of those auto tinting visors. That's kind of cool. Never tried it out, but that might be a good option. Or just a clear one. You know, wear a clear visor and, you know, just throw on some glasses, you know, if you're riding during the day and then transitioning into nighttime. So something to keep in mind, to not have a tinted visor if you're going to be riding at night. Let's talk about other people on the road. Let's talk about other drivers. And this is kind of a big deal. Not kind of, but this is actually a big deal. So when it's dark, and I'm more referring to like sunset time, right? After sunset. There's a lot of people that drink during the evening hours, right? Into nighttime. There could be more, and I think statistically that probably is that way, that there are more impaired drivers when it is later in the evening versus like midday. And correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I believe that's how it is. Now, if that's how it is, and there are more impaired drivers on the road because people have been out drinking or whatever, be a little bit more careful around, you know, everybody else that's on the roadway. You know, trust drivers less. Not that you should ever really be trusting drivers, but, you know, really just keep your distance from everybody on the road, and just be extra cautious because you don't know who around you is impaired. Now, this is something that I've already kind of talked about a little bit earlier in this video, but that is speed management. Slow down, guys, especially if you're on a road that you do not know of. You don't know the churns on that road. You don't know, again, how many residential homes there are, if there's somebody playing outside, kids playing, whatever it is. If it's nighttime, slow your bike down. Don't speed, don't do anything stupid. Now, something else that is also important for nighttime riding or early morning riding, and this is something that I actually get faced with this problem fairly often whenever I go out in the morning and it's early enough, and especially here in Florida, if the humidity is high enough, use some sort of anti-fog visor. And as I'm talking here, the pin lock visors, right? The pin lock stuff that you can put in inside of your visors. Get one of those. They really, really do help. If your visor is down, say it's cold, and and things are fogging up. So they're fogging up, and not only that, but it's also dark out, and you're cold and it's kind of chilly, and you're just not in your prime, so to speak. Just make sure that you have something that would help with the fogging that you could get in your helmet, in your goggles, whatever else. And guys, that's pretty much it. That's kind of all that I had here on my list, and I'm sure there are things that you could add on to this list, and I'd love to hear your opinions on it. If you want to, leave it down in the comment section below for anything that I forgot, anything you want to add in. Chime in, let me know down in the comment section below. Again, if you did enjoy this video, please leave me a thumbs up. Not only does it make me feel good seeing the thumbs up on the video, but it also helps out with the algorithm and YouTube and helping my channel grow. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will hopefully see you on the next one. Peace.